Alright guys, so what I'm about to show you is my little side project that I did. Started probably about almost a month now with a little break, okay? So it was my first time doing it. Yes, there was some hiccups and there was a point where I was gonna hire somebody to wire it for me, but I cut holes through the walls already, so they're gonna charge me $125 an hour. I told them fuck that, no. So I did it myself. I did it all the way. Sounds really good. The sounds really good, but there's still work to be done. So this is just like about, I want to say 90% complete. So if you have any more advice to give, feel free. Criticisms, yeah, please let me know. Hurt my feelings, please. Okay, so enjoy. So you see that part right here? It looks pretty uneven, right? Not to worry. It was fixed after this video, okay? I did the math on it. It does not compromise the sound. Just letting you guys know that. If some of y'all like to nitpick, it was fixed after this screen was put up.
Hey Google, turn on Shield.
Test this out. Hey Google, turn on DirecTV. I did that shit.